This experiment starts with iron sulfate dissolved in water. At first, the solution appears pale green with a slight yellow tint, showing the presence of iron ions. Now it's time to add hydrogen peroxide. The moment the hydrogen peroxide enters the solution, something interesting begins to happen. Tiny bubbles quickly rise from the bottom of the beaker, while the pale green solution slowly changes into a yellow-orange color. Those tiny bubbles are oxygen gas produced as the hydrogen peroxide decomposes. At the same time, the hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the iron ions into iron ions, and that's what creates the dramatic color change. It looks like the reaction is complete, but we're going one step further. Now sulfuric acid is added. As the acid mixes with the orange solution, the color gradually becomes much lighter, changing into a pale yellow. The acidic environment changes the chemical form of the dissolved iron species, making the solution appear much less intense. In just one experiment, we've watched iron change oxidation states. Oxygen gas form before our eyes, and the solution transformed through multiple colors. Chemistry isn't just about mixing chemicals. It's about watching invisible molecular changes become visible right in front of you. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more amazing chemistry experiments.